Hello, hello, Mr. Pantabangan. So, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello po, I'm Arvin J. Santos, 24 years old from the municipality of Pantabangan.
All right. And first of all, congratulations. You are one of the darlings of the press today. Anong nararamdaman mo?
First of all po, I'm so grateful. This is my first provincial pageant, so at first I'm so nervous, but now I'm feeling great, and I'm so grateful that I received this award.
Ayan. Kanina when you were answering, actually walking, we noticed how prepared, polished, and also eloquent you are. Um, even before you speak, you are one of the best speakers today, actually.
Thank you po.
So, does that add pressure to your confidence right now with that
Yes,
recognition?
yes po, pressure is always there, but if I felt this kind of thing, I always choose growth, because being pressured is not about a weaknesses or a negative thoughts, but it is about how you present yourself. Because pressure is always there, but if you don't feel pressure, it means you are on your comfort zone, and this is one of the scariest place in your life. So if you are in your comfort zone, there's no movement and there's no improvement. Like,
I have never been to Pantabangan. Can you maybe describe ano ang meron sa Pantabangan na pinagmamalaki mo?
One of the best tourist spots in Pantabangan is the Highland Valley. It is recognized not only in Philippines but also internationally. So come visit in our place po.
Baka naman.
Ay,
Baka naman pag pumunta ka charot. But anyway, going back to Pantabangan, I think Pantabangan is also the hometown of the recently crowned Binibining Nueva Ecija,
yes po.
right?
Yes
And he
po.
will be representing you mean your province to
Yes
Miss
po.
Universe 2027. Do you think that you can continue or you can um, also win the top crown to Mr. Nueva Ecija and follow her footsteps?
For now po, yes, I'm still improving myself because there's a lot of weaknesses that I'm going to enhance myself in order to get the crown. But if I crowned as a Mr. Nueva Ecija 2026, I'm proudly represent my province to the national level.
Ayan. Still, talino yung mga taga-Pantabangan. Wala akong
Thank you po.
ngayon lang ako encounter. Pero going back to you, maybe know you are a teacher, di ba?
Yes po.
So um, aside from education, so what do you advocate about and why?
For me po, there's a lot of issues that continues to spread in our society. The roots of it is education. But if I've been given a chance to create another advocacy or another thing to improve, is that our governance to choose what is the leader, because leadership is not about the power, it is a responsibility to uplift others. So if we choose a right leader, the nation will not just survive, it will strive.
Ayun. And lastly, well, marami kang fans ngayon dito
Yes.
sa SM Mega Center Cabanatuan. Pero anong message mo sa lahat ng fans mo na narito? Buong, at pati sa buo sa Pantabangan, sa buong Nueva Ecija, sa buong Pilipinas at sa mundo.
So I didn't expect that they will come. So it is a surprise for me. So I'm so thankful for them, especially those Pantabangenyos na nanggaling pa po talaga sa ibang lugar. So I'm grateful that andito sila para supportan ako as a candidate of Mr. Nueva Ecija. And I hope they will continue to support me on June 27, 2026 as our coronation as Mr. Nueva Ecija 2026.
Plus, alam mo, na-curious ako, bakit ganun sila ka-supportive ngayong araw? Ang dami kanina.
Actually, most of them are my families po talaga. So, and they are my friends po. And kapag ka po nagko-compete ako, talagang supportive po talaga sila.
Tanggilan mo na ba to na
Um,
contest?
pangalawa po. Pangalawa po. This is my second
Bongga
time.
naman nila. Anong placement ba to sa una?
Nag-Mr. Weasley, ay naging ano po, palarong Wesleyan, title holder po.
Wow, may title din.
Yes po.
But anyway, thank you so much, Mr. Pantabangan, for Mr. Nueva Ecija 2026. And
Thank
good
you
luck
po.
on your pageant journey.
Thank you po.
Thank you.